How to fix Crunchyroll API 403 error, full guide 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Crunchyroll 403 error so you can get back to streaming without the guesswork. A 403 error generally means the server is telling you access to that specific content or page is being blocked. And on Crunchyroll, this usually comes down to one of a handful of common causes. Let's walk through the fixes in order from quickest to most involved. Step 1. Try the simple resets first. Restart your browser or open Crunchyroll in a different browser entirely and log out of your account, then log back in. Step 2. Clear your browser cache. An overloaded or outdated cache is one of the most common causes of a 403 error, and clearing it often resolves the issue immediately. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu, go to More Tools. Then clear browsing data. Step 3. Check whether you're using a VPN. Crunchyroll licenses much of its content by region, so if your VPN is placing you in a region where a show isn't licensed, you'll get blocked with a 403. Try disabling your VPN entirely or switching to a different server location to see if that resolves it. Step 4. Double-check you're not dealing with a simple typo or broken link. Some 403 errors happen because of an incorrect URL rather than an actual access restriction, so try navigating to the content through Crunchyroll's search instead of a bookmarked or shared link. Step 5. If you're on a mobile app, try deleting and reinstalling the Crunchyroll app completely, since a corrupted local app cache can trigger the same error mobile side. Step 6. Restart your streaming device entirely, whether that's your phone, smart TV, or streaming stick, since this refreshes your device's network connections and can clear up lingering session issues. Step 7. If none of that works, check Crunchyroll's server status using a tool like Down Detector, since sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all, it's a temporary outage or maintenance window. Here's a pro tip. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, contact Crunchyroll support directly rather than continuing to troubleshoot blindly. Have a brief description ready of exactly what you're seeing, a blank screen, a specific error message, or a particular page that won't load, since that specific detail helps their team diagnose it faster. So that's exactly how to fix the Crunchyroll 403 error using the most common, effective solutions. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more streaming troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments, did clearing your cache or disabling your VPN do the trick?